Right, and we're live. So, we're making history today. This is one for the Luton heads. We've got El Rosso in. El Rosso,
Mate,
aka man of the match.
yeah, neck's a bit
You know,
sore.
you know.
Neck's a
What's
bit
going
sore
on?
from carrying the weight of these Luton stag doos on my back. So just come in, see the big man today, and get the MOT.
That's it. That's it. Fair play to you. Good job. So, what do you reckon? This could be the crack series.
Oh, the content on the channel is just gold.
3, 2, 1, relax.
I've got to live up to it now.
I'm hoping I can crack your neck. This is a big one.
As long as that's the only thing you're cracking.
Right. Right, let the head relax. I got you, mate. Whoa.
Oh, God, that is some feeling, that, isn't it? Get yourself down here, people. That was well worth it.
Lewis's head still on his shoulders. This is epic stuff. McGill will love this one, won't he?
Oh, I can just picture him now giggling away.
You know. Well done.
Oh.
Oh. Desks are dangerous, mate.
Oh, things I get up to on them makes them dangerous.
Yeah. Big breath in. And out. Oh. There might be another one. Oh. T4. Classic. So let me in here.
Yeah.
And then I'll come over. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Cheeky one, that.
Oh, that was unexpected.
You know what that was? Oh. That's the thing. You will get whacked everywhere on the first session if you come and see me. None of this longing out treatments to make loads of money. You know what I'm saying? Breath in. And out. Oh. Yeah. That was actually a collarbone.
Yeah.
Feel it there?
Yeah.
It's a mental technique. It literally
Give the people what they want.
I've seen